Welcome to Dollar Roots. Today, get ready to uncover 10 hidden secrets about the US stock market that most people don't know. From bizarre stories to shocking facts, this video will blow your mind about how the market really works. Let's dive in. Did you know the biggest stock market in the world started under a tree? In 1792, 24 brokers gathered on Wall Street and signed something called the Buttonwood Agreement on a simple piece of paper right under a buttonwood tree. This single document laid the foundation for what would become the New York Stock Exchange. It's wild to think that those massive skyscrapers and the global financial system we know today literally grew from a pact made under a tree. It just goes to show that even the mightiest institutions can have the most humble beginnings. Before digital screens and high-speed trading, how did traders even keep up? They used incredible brass posts with over 100 price indicators, all connected by pneumatic tubes. Think of it like a super old-school office mail system, but for stocks. Traders would send orders on tiny paper slips that zipped through these tubes across the trading floor. It was a chaotic but organized system that powered Wall Street for decades. These iconic posts were so important that today you can find them displayed in museums and business schools across the United States as a reminder of a bygone era. Here's a secret even a billionaire kept under wraps. In 2006, the legendary investor Warren Buffett opened a safe deposit box. Inside, Berkshire Hathaway stock certificates worth an astounding $11 billion. Now, this wasn't just for show or a dramatic reveal. The sale of these shares was the first step in his famous pledge to give away nearly all of his immense wealth to philanthropy. It's a fascinating look into how even the world's richest people handle their assets, proving that sometimes even billionaires have a secret stash of stock certificates tucked away. Could the biggest crash in history have been avoided? Well, months before the infamous 1929 stock market crash, the U.S. Federal Reserve actually issued a warning about excessive stock speculation. The public was caught in a frenzy of buying, and the Fed saw the danger signs. In a single day before the big crash, the market lost 11% of its value. Tickers struggled to keep up with the frantic selling, and chaos reigned. It got so bad that a group of powerful financiers had to step in and orchestrate a massive stock purchase just to calm the panic and restore some semblance of order. Now, for one of the most outrageous secrets in financial history, the massive Ponzi scheme run by Bernard Madoff. For years, Madoff, a former chairman of the Nasdaq stock market, ran a hedge fund that was supposedly generating incredible returns. But it was all a lie. He was paying off early investors with money from newer ones, fooling not just the public but also regulators and the entire market for decades. The sheer scale of the fraud was shocking and served as a harsh reminder that even figures at the very top of the financial world can be hiding monumental secrets. Stocks are valuable, but have you ever thought about what else has been used as currency? Here's a funny fact. In Ireland, potatoes were once a form of currency. Can you imagine trying to buy shares of Tesla with a truckload of potatoes? It sounds absolutely crazy, right? But it shows that the concept of something holding value, whether it's a stock or a potato, has been around for a very long time. It's a great example of how humans have always found weird and wonderful ways to assign worth to different things throughout history. Here's an informative secret. The stock market isn't just about numbers and logic. Human emotion plays a massive, often hidden, role in trading. Scientists and behavioral economists have found that irrational fears and contagious greed are huge drivers of market movements. This is why the market can seem so crazy and unpredictable at times. It's not just a math game, it's a psychology game. Understanding this emotional element is key to understanding why stocks can swing so wildly, even when the news doesn't seem to justify it. The crowd's mood can be just as powerful as any financial report. This one sounds like a spy movie plot, but it's true. During the Cold War in the 1950s, the US government was secretly developing the hydrogen bomb. But one economist, Armin Alkian, figured out what they were up to without any classified clearance. How he simply analyzed the share prices of companies that supplied materials needed for the project. He noticed unusual activity and connected the dots. That's right, stock prices once revealed one of the biggest government secrets of the era. It's a powerful example of how the market can sometimes tell you more than the headlines. In the late 1970s, the New York Stock Exchange was still a place of paper chaos. Then, a former IBM executive introduced a game-changing system called DOT, which stood for Designated Order Turnaround. This was a revolutionary electronic system that computerized how stock orders were processed. For the first time, trades could be executed with digital precision instead of frantic hand signals and paper slips. This breakthrough technology ran the exchange for nearly 30 years, completely transforming stock trading and paving the way for the high-speed digital markets we have today. From that simple agreement under a buttonwood tree to becoming a global powerhouse, the U.S. stock market has had an incredible journey. It played a crucial role in financing America's growth, from railroads to tech giants, and in the process, transformed New York City into the world's financial capital. The very idea of buying a piece of a company and sharing in its success is a powerful legacy that still shapes how the entire world thinks about investing, business, and wealth creation today. There you have it, 10 crazy, hidden secrets about USA stocks that make you see the market in a whole new light. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to like this video,
where your money
subscribe
grows.
to Dollar Roots, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing stories. See you next time.